At some point, I was in the taxi. Let me share this with you. One foreign national was speaking to one of our South Africans to say, look, I'm going to SASA. I'm going to collect money for my children and my wife. She's in Zimbabwe. Imagine, in front of the citizen of this country. What that are you doing? You're stealing from our country to benefit your people in our country, in your country. It's incorrect. It's not right.
Can I please ask you this question? How old is Operation Dudula?
It's almost 2 years now. It's going for 2 years because when we started Operation Dudula 2020, when it was introduced, we had a discussion, a debrief as to how are we going to insert this objective to the people. And then during 2020, we were about 20 to 25. And then I heard someone was claiming to be a leader of Operation Dudula. He was not even part there, which is Lax himself. He was not present at that time. We didn't even know him. We didn't even know about Soweto Parliament. Then it went on 2021. That is where we got a concrete objective as to now we are ready to send it to the people. 2021. That is where we started with build-up meeting from Orlando West, and it went as over to Diepkloof, where we have numerous build-up meeting, and then we had the first operation, which was on the 17th of May, where we've submitted our memorandum to the late Jeff Makubo. And then on the 24th of August, 27th of August, we went to a Union Building to submit the similar memorandum, but with addition of some of the items. I will say Operation Dudula is almost 2 years now.